Most organizations still rely on email attachments, spreadsheets, or generic cloud folders to collect document requests. It's slow, confusing, and easy to lose track of what's missing. Boilerplate replaces that mess with secure, configurable portals. Let me show you how it works real quick. So first off, we're going to create reusable checklists. And within these checklists, we can include instructional documents, digital forms, single data inputs, personalized documents, generic PDFs. Both can be filled and e-signed in the system. Itemized file requests, folders, links to outside tasks such as completing a background check, watching an overview video. And these pieces can be configured into different steps in your process or different checklists based on different roles, personas of the new employee, the client, whoever you're collecting documentation from. So in terms of sending it, you have two options. You can share a link and post it somewhere, or if you want to assign it directly to a person's email address, you can put them in as a contact. You can choose the checklist that you want to send them. The system then gives you the option if you want to pre-fill documents online, swap in or import them. Add a due date, it'll trigger reminders. You can put a custom note in there as well. And as soon as you send to the other party, they get an email with a link to complete all the document requests. So here's where the first piece of magic comes in. As soon as you've assigned that request, you can visualize in real time on the admin side exactly what's going on with each person. So you don't have to be sending Slack messages and emails going, hey, did Grace Kelly give us her stuff? Where's Ben Franklin with his paperwork? Instead, you can see a list of everything that they need to do and exactly where it stands in process. I'll show you what the client sees real quick. So the other party is going to come into the portal through a link, either received in an email or they click it online or scan a QR code. See your logo up at the top. They're going to work through this list. Here's one that's already in progress. They can do this on their phone. They can do this on their iPad. They can do it on their desktop. They see the list of everything they need to work through. They see what's done. They still need to take action on. They can fill and sign PDFs. They can upload files. They can mark things unavailable. They can complete additional tasks. Everything turns green as they mark their way through it. And then you get notified when the items are submitted. Everything shows up in a communal inbox, so you're not jumping around looking at cloud folders or hopping between different people's inboxes. Right here in the system, you can look at each individual item. You can accept it or you can reject it. If you need to send it back, you can tell them why and do that right through the system, or you can accept it and the files can be automatically exported to cloud folders. This could be on Google Drive, this could be Box, Ignite, S3 buckets. We're working on some other integrations as well. If you need a specific export location, let us know. We're happy to chat. These can be configured for various steps in your process, whatever you need. Again, giving you that real-time visibility of exactly what's been requested and exactly where they stand in progress. So nobody's jumping around saying, hey, what do we still need from this person? Improves compliance, improves communication, improves the user experience, and drives a whole lot of efficiency. So we are Boilerplate Portals. Visit us at boilerplate.co if you want to learn more. Happy to chat about your situation and see how we can help. Thanks so much.